What's going on, everyone? I am back. Today is June the 27th, 2022. We're going to talk about Palantir today. And yes, price target was hit. So now we need to come in and speak on, okay, what's next? Are we going to see Palantir continue to move up? Because if so, I'm going to drop another price prediction looking for the market to continue higher. This is how you're able to win in this space. You come in, you make a price prediction, market hits your price target, you take the profitability, and you come back in and do another one. This is how you're able to be consistent. You're not here just keeping money locked up for 10 years. We come in, deploy the resources, bring the money back out, and we look for the next play. While everyone else hasn't been doing buy this stock type videos because of the crash, they're sitting in the sideline. While I come in continually and show you all the plays. We can still make money, right? You understand that we can still participate in the stock market even when stocks go down. Yes, the overall trend may be down, but it doesn't mean that you won't see certain days to where the market increases. Let's talk. Everyone who is new to my channel, this is what I do. I do price predictions. I come through and I show you all where price is anticipated to go so that you all can see that it's possible. You can actually predict price movements. Everyone else out here thinks you can't do it. You know, they try to give you all of that fear that FUD is being manipulated. You know, you got the hedge funds. You got people out here manipulating the price. Okay, cool. But it doesn't mean that you can't win neither. I've been showing you all that for a while. So go ahead and hit the like button. Share the video and also subscribe here to my channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because I definitely want to make sure that you know what I know. All right, so let's talk. Price target hit. All right, I did a video in Palantir on June 18th. It was right here. Okay, you guys haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. It's still there. 20%. If we were to get on the close of Friday, 23.5%. All right, cool, done. Over. One thing I want to bring to your attention is that the trend so far is still intact in Palantir. It's just that simple. Now, we are breaking away from this current trend, right? Look at this. We're seeing price break away. I get it. So let's not become overly extended and think that we're going to continue to shoot up like a rocket like we've done the last couple of trading days. The market is going to take a reprieve. It's going to take a break and begin to come back down and test these areas. Okay. So that ascending line, which I've created, is the basis as to us knowing that the strength into the market in Palantir is still here. This is the trend line. Okay. So we are trading away from the trend 22%. So we can still see the market fall 22%, and everyone's going to be bearish, everyone's going to be nervous, everyone's going to be scared. But as long as the market does not crack below or trade below that ascending line, we know that we are still in a viable position to see price go up. It's just that simple. Okay, so we got that. Now we broke this last area of restriction. The price in Palantir broke above that. Okay, cool. That's great, because it gives us more information. Because if the market in Palantir got rejected right there around $10, then we know that the sellers are located there. But they was able to break above that on a decent amount of volume. Like, look at the volume that came in on that day, the June 24th. Look at all that volume that came in. So they was willing to break price above $10. Now, be careful. Okay, because you're going to begin to see people who pumps Palantir, they quit doing their price predictions, right? They haven't been doing their discount cash flow models. They haven't been talking about the fundamental analysis of the company because it's irrelevant. It's pointless. All of the research that they've done previously back in 2021 is irrelevant. They try to give you price targets based off their fundamental analysis, based off their 8 pillars, based off their discount cash flow, but price went down anyway. So in order for them to have any credibility, they would have to revamp and manipulate their numbers to justify where they think price is going to go now. That's crazy. You went through all of that research, all of those numbers manipulation, then to give a price target higher than where price was then, to only see price go down. So how valuable is that information that they're really creating? You got to ask yourself that question. What's the benefit of me manipulating numbers to tell you back in 2021 that the market price in Palantir is going to go to $25 or it's going to go to $40, but the market went down instead? Let's talk. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the next level that we can see Palantir get rejected. Now I'm just going to bring it up just a little bit because I want you all to see this too. Because this is where the market ended up, right here at this restriction area. Come on, let's talk. The answers are already here. You guys can see back in February, the market in Palantir was utilizing $10 and like what, 25 cents as support. We're now back here knocking on the door. Do you think market is going to get rejected here in Palantir at $10.25, or will we move up to 11? That's my next price target, is 11. I'm looking for the price in Palantir to move up towards 11. It might fall a little bit lower, 10.80, $11, somewhere around there. We got it. So that's the first price target. So I'm going to bring the line there. Okay. My second one would be around 12 because that is an area of restriction now. So let's see. Look at Palantir on the weekly. Okay. So you guys can see over the last couple of weeks, we've seen some strength come into this space in Palantir. Now the sad part is that many people are going to jump on the bandwagon when it's too late. We've already seen the market in Palantir move up from $6-7 to where it is now to $10.19. At some point, the market will begin to come back down. Okay, so my 3 price targets is 11, $12, and then up here around 13. So it's like in $1 increments. Okay, $1 increments. This is Palantir on the 5-weekly chart. Okay, real quick, we ended this 5-weekly price bar going down, but then on the last completed one, we saw the market move up higher with increased volume at the high of the bar. So yeah, that tells me that there's a little bit more gas in the tank to see this market move in Palantir go up. Okay, look at that on the 5-day. That's massively strong right now. The strength into the market in Palantir is still there. Okay, so let me bring this back over to the daily time frame because I want to show you all where I'm looking for the market to go. Okay, now I really want to see the buyers continue to confirm price. I would say around $8.50. So any moves to the downside, if the market does not break $8.50, we understand that the continuation of movement higher is still viable. It's still on the table. All right. My first price target I already told you is around 11. So that gives us around 8% move higher in Palantir. Okay, 8. My second one is around 12, which is what, 17.25. My third one told you was around 13. Okay, that's around 26.5% market move higher. Now I get it. There's going to be times to where price is going to trend higher. There will be times where price goes down. I get it. But the ultimate trend from all of the price charts that we've seen, all of the different time frames that we revealed, is showing us that the price looks to be going up. So now I want to know, what is your thoughts? Give me your thoughts. Give me your premise as to where you suspect the market in Palantir is headed. Now make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.